Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in prerequisites: the correct game version, region, and biome that permit Rainbow Loomians. Once done, equip any bait, lure, or item that boosts rainbow or shiny odds and position yourself at a proven spawn point. Move in short bursts, scan for visual cues, and approach quietly to avoid scaring spawns off. Make sure to have multiple capture tools and at least one healing item ready, so you can immediately secure and stabilize a discovered Rainbow Loomian. You now push encounter optimization. Stack every available boost, time of day bonuses, weather modifiers, and consumable items to multiply rainbow odds. Once you find a promising spot, chain encounters by fast-traveling tiny loops or soft resetting the area. This concentrates spawn attempts and compounds chance. Keep a log of coordinates, timestamps, and what items you used so you can replicate successful runs. Also make sure to rotate party members that influence encounter tables, because the right lead can shift. You finish by securing, stabilizing, and integrating the Rainbow Loomian into your roster. Use the most reliable capture tool up front, heal immediately, and isolate it for evolution or trade if needed. Once integrated, backup saves where permitted and update your collection log. If you're not seeing spawns, troubleshoot by clearing game cache, changing your route or biome, adjusting time of day or weather triggers, and revisiting your boost stack. Small adjustments often unlock previously rare spawn patterns, so persist and iterate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.